Uh, we are going to see how to restore your WordPress website if you have it on Hostinger. Uh, Unfortunately, my website got crashed fine today. I was updating the theme. I use Astra. It's a wonderful theme. Unfortunately, I mean, during the update of the theme, I had an issue, probably a power cut or some other issue happened. I'm not sure why that got interrupted halfway. Actually, I just uh, pressed update and I have actually went out and came, and after an hour when I was checking the website, I had an issue. So I didn't even know that it was an issue. Anyway, without much ado, let us see how to find restore the website. So find this is the cached version of my website, Creative Loris. So this is how the website looks. Unfortunately, while update, I have got this. So when this is the, so now I have to restore the website from the backup. Fortunately, on Hostinger we have easy to restore backups. So Creative Loris, I use Hostinger because it's, I mean, the first of all, it is affordable, and second of all, it has a clean user interface. It doesn't confuse us with too many unnecessary things. So I just come here. You have to come to the front dashboard and then come to the come to the backups. As of now, the front database will be clean. So I don't think that a error is in the database. I mean, it got interrupted when during the update. So as of now, it will show all the data files it has, and when these are the, like I have so many sites in this hosting, so it takes some time to load and show the files. Okay, so this is it. I have to restore this one, Creative Loris, and it shows the fund date and other things too. So I mean, to be on the safer side, I'll take the yesterday's backup, so that it's easier to do that. Okay, so when today is 24/25, so I'm choosing yesterday's backup and I'm choosing the Creative Loris alone, and then I'm clicking restore files. So what it does is it just takes all the files and uses this. So it is when restoring. It will take some time. I'll cut the video and I'll come back to it once it's done. So the file restoration process was completed. It just got completed a few seconds ago. So let us check the website now. So this is the cached version of the website, and yeah, it's up now. So that's it. uh, Let me check. Like, I mean, like when late yesterday night I included one more logo in this. Okay, so up to yesterday's night I have got, so I have all the fun data and about page which I had a small video here. Okay, fine. So everything is up and running. Okay, that's it. Fine. So I mean, that is how you restore a website on your Hostinger, and that is why I love Hostinger. Hi. So one thing I should have had is a fallback theme. I didn't have any fun default theme or a fallback theme on the website. I was so confident with that Astra would hold strong. Unfortunately, due to a problem with the update, it had rendered the whole site unusable. Had I had a fallback theme to which the site generally falls back to, I wouldn't have had to restore this whole website now. Unfortunately, I didn't have a fallback theme, and I had to restore my website. So it's important that you always have a fallback theme on your WordPress. Just Keep in mind that it has to be updated every now and then so that hackers can don't use the loopholes and the fault in the theme to hack your website. So stay safe. Always keep a fallback theme to your WordPress. Have a good day.